inside your veins. Let the music soothe your wandering pace. Floating high with every gentle tone. Sky is open, find your carefree zone. In this moment, let worries fade away. Come together, let the music play. Feel the light, let it guide your soul. Hear the beat, let it make you whole. Feel the light, let it guide your soul. Hear the beat, let it make you whole. Gentle waves, the sound beneath your feet, moving slowly to a tranquil beat. Close your eyes as the night unfolds. Listen closely, stories left untold. In this moment, let your spirit soar. Find your peace on this tranquil dance floor. Feel the light, let it guide your soul. Hear the beat, let it make you whole. Feel the light, let it guide your soul. Hear the beat, let it make you whole. Sway with the breeze, let go of stress. Music whispers secrets, soft caress. Weightless in this flow, feel alive. In the rhythm we've already arrived. Feel the light, let it guide your soul. Hear the beat, let it make you whole. Feel the light, let it guide your soul. Hear the beat, let it make you whole.
Find me a chicken mind, lost in the sorrow, and a short mind, drift the storm and draw me to the room. And far you go, never home, then worry on. Lift me high to the skies where the stars collide. Fill up both miracles in the center sky. Let the rhythm take control, flying to the dawn. All the light of promises when the night